This is a brand new 2014 Ram 1500. Its top features include the Uconnect infotainment system, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, the air shutter system, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a passenger side airbag, steering wheel controls, full power accessories, 4-wheel disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, and an auxiliary power outlet. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Thank you for considering Moritz Chevrolet for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 9101 Camp Bowie West in Fort Worth.